The story of Lord Krishna's birth is incredibly captivating and fascinating. He was born during the Krishna Paksha, the waning phase of the moon under the Rohini Nakshatra on the Ashtami Tithi. According to the Hindu calendar, this auspicious event occurred in the month of Bhadrapada. Lord Krishna serves as the divine protector who safeguards the world from the destruction caused by adharma and its followers. This year, 2024 Janmashtami, is considered one of the most powerful ones due to the auspicious conjunction of Chandra and Guru in Vrishabha Rashi. This combination occurs in every 12 years and brings in abundance in terms of wealth and fortune and peaceful family life. Om Namah Vasudevaya Namaha. Begin chanting this mantra starting from Janmashtami. By chanting this mantra 108 times every morning after taking bath, the troubles of life go away and one gets the blessing of Lord Sri Krishna. Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. According to our Shastras, this can be accomplished only by chanting this Maha Mantra 5 lakh times. By doing this, one attains success and prosperity. Some people believe that by chanting this mantra, Lord Krishna takes full form and becomes worthy of God's blessings. Santan Gopal Mantra, remedy for childless couple. Many couples are struggling to conceive these days, as the stress of modern life makes it increasingly difficult. It can feel overwhelming, but Janmashtami offers a beautiful opportunity to perform a remedy that can aid in conception. This remedy is simple, but consistency is key. Here is the remedy. Every day for 27 days, you have to take some lukewarm milk with saffron in it, and along with it, take either a coconut or 27 almonds. If you can take both, even better. Offer this milk, coconut, and almonds to Lord Krishna daily during this period. While making these offerings, recite the Santan Gopala Mantra 108 times daily. Om Devaki Sutta Govinda Vasudeva Jagatpate Dehi Me Tanayam Krishnatwamaham Sharanam Gataha. Recite this mantra every day for 27 days. Morning is preferred, but evening is also fine. What matters is consistency. By following this practice, you will increase your chances of conceiving, and the blessing of a child will be in your destiny. However, it's important for couples to consult a doctor to rule out any medical issues that may be hindering conception, as those should be addressed with appropriate treatment. Couples who are medically fit but still facing difficulties in conceiving should follow this ritual. A powerful remedy for gaining fame. This remedy is specifically for influencers, actors, actresses, performers, and YouTubers who are seeking fame. Janmashtami is an ideal time to perform this remedy. When you do it, you will notice that your communication becomes clearer and people will better understand what you are trying to convey. This is a very simple remedy. On Janmashtami, at the time of Krishna's birth, gather a piece of yellow cloth, any yellow pulse or dal, a yellow fruit like a banana, and some yellow flowers. Offer these items to Lord Krishna and with a pure heart recite this mantra at least 8 times. You will soon see your fame grow and people will begin to recognize you. Kleem Krishnaya Swaha. Remedy for getting your love back. Janmashtami celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, who is the true symbol of love. Performing a remedy on Janmashtami is especially powerful for rekindling love and bringing it back into your life. This remedy has been tried and tested, but it is important to approach it with genuine and sincere intentions. If significant miscommunication has occurred between you and someone you love, this remedy can be effective in addressing and mending the relationship. Do not use this mantra to forcefully bring back someone who doesn't love you, or if it is just one sided love. Here is the remedy for you. Prepare some kheer with saffron and set it aside. In a larger vessel, add some water and a few saffron strands. Use a conch or shank to scoop the saffron water and perform an abhishekam, that is, ritual bathing of Laddu Gopal with it. Afterwards, offer the kheer to Laddu Gopal. While performing the abhishekam, chant this mantra: Shri Hari Kali Krishnaya Govindaya Swaha. Remedy for success in study and competitive exams. Worship Lord Yogeshwar Krishna, who gave advice to Arjun while standing on the chariot. Begin this puja on Janmashtami. Place an image of Lord Yogeshwar on a new clean yellow cloth. Cut it into round shape and perform the worship on every Tuesday. Light a lamp or candle in front of the image. Offer some flowers and sweets on a plate. Chant the mantra 9 times using a sandalwood or turmeric rosary, facing the east direction, the direction of the sunrise. Begin this puja on Janmashtami. Om Hrom 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 Hum Krishnaya Namaha.